They sent me out of school because I've not paid my school fees and we want to write tests. Pay that they even call us your poor family.
Poor family?
Can you imagine?
You say I should do MMM. Now I cannot pay for my children's school fees.
Daddy, better let's go to that hospital. Let's the money.
What is it?
Are you not the one that introduced me to MMA?
Is it not someone that introduced me to?
So let's see that person.
My money is trapped in MMA. They told me the MMA is coming back this time around and I've not seen anything. You're telling me.
Who is Johnny? Let's see that person.
Follow me.
I will follow you. Anywhere you go. Let's see that person that introduced you.
Okutu. You see this man? He's holding me for throat.
What did happen?
Because I'm the one that put me inside this MMA.
You see, it is not my fault. It is Nkachi that received to me. You are the one that introduced me to MMM. Now, see my friends. They are here now. They are saying that the MMA have crashed. Everybody is here now. They are on my head now.
You are not the only one affected. We are all affected, okay? But there's no problem. Just relax. Somebody introduced me to this business.
What?
Jesus is...
You have to know that business is give and take.
That's
I
right.
have a container. I have other containers landing and lava international. So you have to... Hi. You do
If Brian introduced me to MMA, I come to Nigeria.
Jesus is Lord.
How are you? Come. It's Emeka. Come, Emeka. Yeah, that's Emeka. Yeah, so that's
Okay.
over here.
We need our money for MMM.
Yes, we need our money.
Oh, you need your money
Yes.
for MMM.
Yes.
Oh my God. Someone introduced me to MMM.
Hey! MMM has killed me.
I thought you were the manager.
Nobody's there. Where's the person?
Can we
I can take to the person.
Let's go.
If you want your money, the person will give you your money.
It's back again. Now who be that? Oh, make good. How you doing?
No, see my hand here. Now here I did.
Inside.
Now here.
Okay.
They say that me introduce them to MMM. Now I say make I carry them come meet you. Because now you introduce me. Make I know what you have.
No be me una go meet. As I introduce you to MMM, now some person dey introduce me.
What? Jesus is
This life man, I introduced you to MMA.
Hey!
I will follow.
The person wey introduce me dey stay Benin. If una wan mo dey go.
Please, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel, SQ2. Please watch it all the way from anywhere in the whole world, in Europe, America, London, Dublin.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just press the button subscribe. Keep watching.
School 2.